guys, in this video will we learn little bit about change age command or chage. Chage command it used to change user password information. Should use it as system admin or you have an sudo permissions. First thing we will do it by ch-h. You can find the options that came with the change command, chage command. We have minus the option, it's latest last day, set date of last password change to last day, minus e, set account expiration date, minus h for help, minus I for interactive, set password inactive after expiration to inactive, minus L to list or show account information, minus M to set maximum number of days before password change, minus R to root, minus W capital set expiration warning days to 1 day. First thing we will use in this video user called test. Now first option we will use is list for test. You can find this user test have last password change, it's today 3 John, password expires never, password inactive never, account expired never, minimum number of days between password change 0, maximum number of days between password change is infinity or 5 nines. Number of days of warning before password expire 7 days. So the first option we will use it's to set the expiration for this user. We will use minus e capital option by using minus e capital and set date for expiration. First thing we add year here and we add a month and we add a day, sorry, and we will make it expire after 2 days, so in 5 of June. Then type the user. Now back again to change minus L. You can find this account expiration will be end in 5 of June in 2020. Here account expiration was as a default never. Now we will set the password expiration time and we make it by chage minus M capital. After 90 days will the password expire. Click enter. Now back chage minus L for test. You can find this. The password will be changed or expires in 1 of September after 90 days from the password last change. Now the next thing we will do it, yes, you can see that maximum number of days between password change 90, so the password after 90 days will be changed. Now the password will be expired, but when the password will be inactive. So after we back to minus h to see password will be inactive here by using minus I capital option, set password inactive after expiration to inactive. Now we will do that chage minus I capital after 5 days test after 5 days. So again ch minus L for test. You can find this. The password expire in at 1st day of September After 5 days, in 6th of September, will password be inactive and account expires in the 5th of June. So it's after 3 days from this day. We can add a warning day set expiration by using -w capital option. That's refer to set expiration warning days to warn days. We can add it change -w. It's for expiration, not for password expire, for account expiration. And we will make it before 2 days for test. Now again ch-l for test. You can find this number of day here, number of days of warning before password expire was 7. Now after do this command change -w capital 2 days, it's become 2. So the chage command, it's a super command that user root or sudoers user can be used to change password and user information that's related to the password. So it's a good command to use, good command to use, but ensure that the sudoers and the root users who should use it. Thank you for your